Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Pamela McClay. I'm Realtor at Dehannes Real Estate Services in Waldorf, Maryland. Today I'd like to talk just a little bit about loans. I want to get into some loan specifics, and while I am not an expert in this area, I did want to share some information with you on the loans that are available to help you purchase a home. Of course, when you find your real estate agent will be able to direct you to an expert, a lender, who can tell you everything about what type of loan might be best for you, what type of loan fits your purposes for the purchase or the size of the house that you want to purchase. So let's get into it, shall we? And I do have my notes here. And I want to slip on my glasses, so I want to make sure I'm reading these notes to you as we move along. So the first loan type of loan I like to talk about is called a conventional loan. And in some cases, these loans might require a minimum credit score of 620. These loans are loans that follow the standards set by Freddie Mae and Freddie Mac. And they are usually given to you through a private lender. Conventional loans are may require a bit more of a down payment. Let's say if you are looking to purchase a large home with a conventional loan, you may be required to put down as much as 20%. So you want to be prepared for that when you deal with conventional loans. A jumbo loan is a loan that requires a minimum credit score of 680. These loans are really considered very risky loans, and they are not eligible to be insured by Freddie Mae or Freddie Mac. Um, Jumbo loans are usually issued to people who wish to purchase, a lot of property or large properties or very expensive properties. And like conventional loans, they do require down payments. An FHA loan or a Federal Housing Administration loan, the minimum credit score is 500 with 10% down, or it's 580 with 3.5% down. An FHA loan is insured by the Federal Housing Administration and an option for borrowers who are deemed to be higher risk or have low credit scores. These loans typically might not require as much of a down payment as a conventional loan. But keep in mind, that's why it's so very important to make sure that you track your credit score to make sure that you can get the best loan possible for you, because the better your credit score, the more money you'll qualify for to purchase a home. So credit score is very important. So just to break it down a little bit, under the FHA rules, a minimum credit score of 500. If that's your credit score, 500, you're going to need 10% down payment. The 10% down payment is 10% of the purchase price of the house that you wish to buy. If you have a credit score of 580, then you're going to need 3.5% to put down on your home payment, along, with the money to purchase your home. So you want to keep in mind that if you make payments less than 20%, lenders will probably require you to take out what's called primary mortgage insurance. And this is insurance in case you default on the loan. And so lenders want to make sure that you are able to pay the loan back, and that, as time goes on, that you don't default. And if you do default, well, then, they have the PMI, or the primary mortgage insurance, that helps to cover the cost of the default. And so if you happen to be required to have PMI, then there may also be some sort of interest rate attached to that as well. And your loan officer and anyone else that you consult with as far as your loan will be able to share that information with you at the time you apply for that loan. VA loan is administered through the Veterans Administration, and lenders for the VA loan usually prefer 620 credit score for VA loans. Now, something else about VA loans is that you can either get a VA backed loan, or you can go directly to the Veterans Administration and get your loan, which is a VA direct loan. If you get a VA backed loan, then that means you're going to a private lender, and then that lender, private lender is just a bank or whatever, and that bank and that loan officer is going to explain to you all the requirements and the criteria of the VA loan, and also help you qualify, based again on your credit score. I cannot emphasize how important your credit score is going to be, even if you're going to look for a rental. If you're looking for a rental property and you want to put in an application, I guarantee you what's going to happen is during the background check, everyone does a background check for everything. So that's just the way the world works now for everyone. Your credit score is going to come up. So work on your credit score, look at your credit report, find out what's on it. If there's some things that should not be on there, then you need to challenge those things and have them taken off. All of this will put you in a better position when you go to purchase your home. The next loan is the USDA loan, United States Department of Agriculture loan. This loan, there is a credit score preferred of 640. And the USDA loan is a loan that requires you to look for properties in certain areas, like rural areas and not urban areas. Also, there are other requirements for the loan. When you go to look for the home, you have to consider the square feet, how much tax is going to be charged annually, and also, as I said before, where the home is located. So those are some of the criteria that come into play when you have a USDA loan. So I hope this information was helpful to you. Feel free at any time to look this information up. The internet is a great resource. I recommend going to any of the, for VA, you want to go to the VA, look up Department of Veterans Affairs or Veterans Administration, look up their loans. They have a wealth of information about the loans. Go to FHA's website, look at FHA's information about the types of loans that they issue and that they're willing to lend you. Also, go different various banks. Various banks will have different programs for home ownership, and also someone will be there to speak with you about what type of loan best fits you for the purchase that you want to make on your home. So that's all the information that I wanted to share with you today, and I am hoping that you are having a great day today as we move into vintage handbags. I know this doesn't make sense to everybody, but the reason why I like to incorporate vintage handbags is because if any investors are looking at this video, then you kind of know that old things can be worked out. You can put money into them and you can make them look brand new, make them look like you want. You can resell them. You can do anything you want to do with brand new merchandise, real merchandise, old merchandise. It can be worked out. So today I have with me, this is a vintage Gucci micro G. I'll put her close so you can see the small G's there, and you can see the big emblem here. She has, of course, standard. I'm using her today, so I've got my junk in here. She has the Gucci tag on the inside with the serial number. I don't know if you can see that, but it's kind of engraved in the letter. There it is. You can see the serial number there. She has also a Gucci emblem, and we talked about that the last time. This is the Lift Boy, and that's the zipper pull on the inside. She also has a Gucci emblem on the zipper pull on the outside of the purse. I found her, of course, like I find all of my pre-loved vintage bags on the pre-loved market. It is something that I love to do. I just think that old things are made better. We live in a society where everything today is done so quickly, and sometimes when you do things rather quickly, you lose the value and you lose the authenticity and you lose the craftsmanship, and you just lose a lot sometimes when you do things too fast. So this is a Gucci. I'm going to call her a half moon. I don't know what the technical name is for her, but I saw her. I thought she was lovely, and so I purchased her. And just like I do, I will eventually probably sell her and, get, either probably get what I paid for her in the sale. So I just want to tell everyone to stay safe and, you know, just stay safe and love your loved ones and look for a rainbow in the sky. It's a cloudy day today, but as I was driving, running an errand today, I saw just a small patch of blue in the sky. And that just reminded me just to choose life. So choose life today, people. Love your family and stay safe. Until we meet again, take care.